Today we're at one of the largest universities in the UK. The cold water storage tanks fit into accommodation blocks, a large number of students on site across the campus. There's also a laundrette attached to the accommodation block at the same time. So one of the things they struggle with is maintaining that demand and the reliability and trustworthiness of the valves. So we came in, they were aware of Keraflo and the Tanktronic Valve assembly and the Tanktronic management system.
So today we're installing a main control unit for a Tanktronic. Inside the actual tank itself, an SCV valve, and it's also got a battery backup. The main control unit will monitor the water levels, the temperature levels, high and low. The SCV is a valve that will open and close at set levels. So when it reaches its closed level, it will turn itself off. When the water is low enough that it opens, it lets the water back in until it fills and closes. The battery is basically, if there's a power cut in the whole building, it'll function and give this power for a couple of days, give or take the amount of use, but enough time until the power is back on. The valve itself is quite an easy installation. Your fittings, they go from different sizes obviously. Fits straight in, you've got a front locking nut and a back locking nut into your mains pipe, lock up, job done. Then it's down to the main control just to make sure it's all in sync.
The product itself is robust, it's solid, it's designed with servo ceramic discs inside the valve assembly, which allow for a much better durability of the product. The product is also fully RAS approved, so it will meet all the water regulations.